Bonsai styles: formal upright style bonsai, informal upright style bonsai, slanting style bonsai, cascading style bonsai, semi cascading style bonsai, Gujarati style bonsai, that is wind swept, broom style bonsai, that is like a peach tree, Sakai style bonsai, which is juniper style, then root over stock style. Apart from these, there are several group planting style bonsai, like forest style, canvas style bonsai, which includes many branches growing from a single plant. These are few examples of styles of bonsai. Generally, gardening rocks, gravel, moss, these kind of materials are in a natural looking manner in a bonsai pot. When you see the media of a bonsai, you'll find different types of media mix is also used. For example, 70% and 30%, 70% sand and 30% compost or evergreen plants. Then for deciduous plants, some mix the sand in the 30% proportion and compost in 70% reverse proportion. It is so similarly peat moss, pine bark, etc. may also be added. Bonsai is a very different skill, which is not a basic gardening.